Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright, you have that one out.
This one? Dad, this one?
Like a boss. Zanaya, tell me what's going on. What are you doing?
Today I'm fixing computer.
Alright, so what have you done so far?
I have screwed the computer and take out the middle of the computer.
Alright, and what's your next move? What are you going to do next?
I'm gonna pull out this.
What is this called?
This is called a hard drive and I'm going to pull it out.
Okay, go ahead. Ready? Hold it up so the people can see it. What is this called?
A hard drive.
Alright, so it's called a hard drive and it holds the data for the person. So this is very important, right? So Zanaya has loosed out all the screws from the bottom of the laptop already. So we're thinking that we're ready to lift everything out and get to see the inside of this laptop if everything goes as planned. We can also, Zanaya, take out the CD drive and you can do that by pulling that out. There you go, so put that over there. So that's your CD drive, alright? Alright, and so the next step, I believe we have to turn it over and check what's under the keyboard. So we'll see if we can get the keyboard loosed out, right? Alright, so what do we do next, Zanaya?
I'm gonna pull out this.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna screw this and this.
Alright, so you're going to screw out the keyboard. So go ahead. And what we're doing is that we're getting the keyboard out because there's probably a couple of screws under the keyboard that we need to also take out in order for us to completely remove the board. And remember, our aim is we're trying to fix the laptop fell and the power cord was still in, so it kind of wrenched out the power adapter from inside. I'm hoping that can be soldered back. If that can be soldered back, then we're fine. Although I can see now that the screen also broke, so we might be in some problem there. Alright, so Zanaya has removed the two screws for the keyboard. So let's see if we can lift the keyboard up. Zanaya, so help me on that side. Right here, like that. And we will push out a little, upright. There we go. Alright, so we notice we have some wires to disconnect. To disconnect these wires, we lift that black part right there. So see if you can. No, this part. Let me do it. So this can lift, watch it. Just like that, and we pull out the keyboard. So we have our keyboard out, and we notice we also have a couple screws to this here, which Zanaya will get done now. So Zanaya, this screw, and that screw. Right?
So we're taking off the cover.
Alright, so let's see if we can do that. Alright, so put it over there. So we're there. So we're at the root of this thing. We've taken off the cover to make sure we're seeing what's going on now, disconnected all the wires. Hopefully we can remember how to put them back. So our problem is here, where the power was knocked out. So we're going to, it looks like we're going to have to loose off the motherboard as well, so we can get out this small board. So again, we're losing our stuff from Zanaya will spearhead that. Good job. All right. And that's it. Good job, Zanaya.